So I'm going to make hummus. So for that, this is the boiled chickpeas or boiled chana. I put little salt and I have boiled it and drain the water. Now I'm going to grind the chana. I'm going to add sesame oil. Also, you can add sesame while you're grinding it. I don't have it today, so I'm just adding the sesame oil. Otherwise, you can add like a handful of sesame to it. And I'm also going to add salt. And I'm going to add lemon. So I'm not going to add water. See? So you can grind it smooth. Looks good. Now let us add some olive oil on top. Now I'm going to take this much garlic and I'm going to saute it in olive oil, and also I'm going to mildly saute the pine nuts. Add the pine nuts. See, this is the hummus and olive oil. Now I'm going to add the pine nuts and garlic to the hummus. Taste the hummus with a piece of garlic and pine nuts. You can use the hummus as a dip with whatever you like, any veggies or pita bread. It tastes really good, so you have to try this one. And yeah, so this is one flavor. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge and I'm going to make another flavor. Now I'm going to make red pepper flavor hummus. So for that, I'm going to saute the red pepper. I've added olive oil. I'm going to saute it. Same way I'm going to grind the chickpeas along with the red pepper. So that will give like watery thing. So it will be easy for us to grind. That's enough. So I'm going to turn this one off. I'm going to add the red pepper. So now I'm going to add lemon. So a little olive oil. I also added salt. And grind it smooth. See? Looks good. Going to transfer it here. I think I'm going to add a little bit more chana because I think it's become a little bit more red pepper. So I'm going to add more chana and grind it. Looks good now. And more salt. Roasted red pepper hummus. Let me taste the roasted red pepper hummus. It's yummy, but I think it will be more delicious if it is spicy. So what I'm going to do is, you can either, if you don't want spicy, you can just have it like this. So I'm going to add grind this with I'm going to add jalapenos. So I'm going to grind the jalapeno to this. So I'm going to take some hummus and I'm going to use serrano pepper and jalapeno pepper. So whichever flavor you like, you can also add habanero pepper. It will be even more tasty and flavorful. So today I'm going to add serrano pepper and jalapeno peppers. I have added. I'm going to grind it. I'm going to add it. Okay, so I added the peppers. Now let me taste it. It's tasting too good. You can add some olive oil on top. So this is the roasted red pepper and jalapeno pepper hummus. I'm serving hummus with some strawberries, tomatoes, cucumber, salad, kale and black beans. And this is tortillas. This is our red pepper and jalapeno pepper hummus. And this one is the garlic and pine nuts hummus. And it's your choice. You can dip it in any vegetable or bread or fruits. So enjoy this delicious healthy recipe. Bye.